Hi, sir.
Hi there.
How are you?
How's it?
Yes. Yeah, my name is Hasibul.
Hi, Hasibul. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you very much to join with me.
No problem. No problem. So, what can you do for my YouTube channel?
Yeah, actually, I visited your YouTube channel, and you made your YouTube channel 1 year ago and uploading a video, right? But till now, your yes.
Yeah.
But till now, your subscriber is very little. And
Yeah. So, how do you make it better?
yeah, dear. If you want to grow your channel according to target, I can help you. Can I explain you how can you help? Yes. Okay. If we want to promote your channel, we can do organic promotion at first. That's I will share your video a lots of social media groups according to your target, like Facebook group, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Reddit, Quora, Mix, to create a backlink for your channel. Okay. And before promoting your video, I need to optimize your each and every video's titles, SEO friendly description, high ranking hashtags, make eye-catchy thumbnail, okay, to increase SEO score.
Yeah. Yeah. So more people will see the channel.
Yes. Of course, more people will see your channel after if we promote your channel perfectly and professionally. Okay.
Okay. And how much you charge for that?
Yeah, actually, at first we have to make a good relation first. Then I mean price. So let's try 1 week for $50 if you want. And after finishing 1 week work, yes. After finishing 1 week work,
So
if
it's $50. 50.
yes, $50 for a week at first.
Okay.
So
$50 for the week.
yeah.
And then, what do you think we will get? Like more subscribers? What results will we get?
Yeah, at first you have to make me a manager your channel. Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah. I can hear you.
You have to make me a manager on your channel. Then I will optimize your videos. I mean SEO friendly titles, description, high ranking hashtags to increase your SEO scores. That's why your channel's video will rank first page on YouTube algorithm. Okay, YouTube search. When people will search according to your related hashtags, if you explain what's your goal, I mean what's your target, what do you want by your channel, please share with me your goal.
We
Actually,
just want more people finding the channel. You know, that's basically subscribers.
okay.
So that's probably the goal.
Do you have a business, right? Yeah.
Yes. When people watch the videos, then they use our business. You know
Yes.
what I mean?
Yes. So
So,
when your targeted people will visit your channel, is it need to go to your website also?
Yeah, exactly. They go to our website,
Yes.
then they either use us for our business.
Yeah, need to subscription your websites. Okay, sign up.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to get more visitors on your website, okay, your targeted leads, I mean targeted traffic on your website, you have to promote your YouTube channel besides Facebook page, and also grow your website through Google Ads. Here is 3 types of work. So that combinedly, if you will promote your 3 platform, I mean Facebook page, website, and also YouTube channel, you will definitely get your targeted leads, targeted subscribers, targeted traffic according to targeted location, targeted gender, male or female, targeted age, and also your business related targeted interested person. So at first we can start for a YouTube to justify my work quality, to prove myself, to make a good relation with you. Then we can continue if you want.
Okay, no problem. Let's reconnect. Maybe I'll get back to you on Monday.
Okay, no problem. Monday. Today is Friday.
Okay.
In our country.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And here is
Okay, well,
please again.
okay, no problem. Well, thank you for the call, and I'll talk to you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, take care. Bye.